Good morning, good morning, good morning. When you see this, you don't know what's in my type of video them. You see me? But me I plan to take you up still. I just want to address a few things. You see me? To all of me Corona. To all of my bad mind friend them. All of my bad mind family member them. You see me? Well, watch the thing and I tell me say, yo, dog, you not gonna reach nowhere, this don't make no sense. You have too much talent for you pick up this foolishness and all them things. Them want to say a blessed good morning to you, see me. I hope on the day go good. I swear to you, me I pray you never good day. You see it? That me I pray right now. You see me? So all that, so to all the people me I pass on the road, I tell them say, yo, like and subscribe, you see me? Share channel, Yard Boy TV, you see me? And them all tell me say, boy, you waste the time in the brother and that now I'm gonna reach now, you see me? Find something better for do. And you see me? Hard time now and boom boom boom, you see me? More want say thanks to you, you see me? For bad reviews and for bad comment them, you see me? For type of treatment on I give me, you see it? But I really level me I expect better from no for you, you see me? So to all of my friend them, my so-called friend them, you see me? Where tell me say, yo, I link me in my inbox, I know say, where they, where they pan, where you do. That now I'm gonna reach now, brother, you see me? Go look something better for do and why you no look something for do, you see me? Me find something for do, you see me? Low my thing, make me progress on me feel like the best for me, you see it? Why you know just try to uplift me instead and tell me say, yo, boom, go on do your thing, brother, me I help you reach there, you see me? I help you get there, you see me? Them say one and wash the other one, you see me? But you not try help me. Me I try build you up, you not try help me, so why pray? Anyway, I just want to say good morning, I want to say thanks to the bad mind people, my bad mind friend them. You see me? To all of my current subscriber them and the people them we have view the thing and I make a thing get there, you know, watch a wise card on the mouth, you know, me just wait, just brush my teeth and me well hungry. You see me? To all like current subscriber them, people me have view the thing. Big thanks go to you. You see me? Without you, I couldn't reach us right now. So I want to say thanks to you. Know yourself, move video forward, because I nah ease up. You see me? Bad mind can't stop me. So, as stronger they make me stronger, believe me. I say thing there. You see me? I nah tap make the video. I say me go drop them hard now, daily. I go try to make it and drop something for you. I couldn't pray them out. You see it? So, bad mind. Me have a yai pound, you hear that? Me I watch you know hard. Remember that. So, continue to subscribe to the channel, share the channel, Yard Boy TV. You don't know, say link. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can copy it and give your friend them and boom boom. You see me? And you don't know anything. Go on like, keep on comment, subscribe, share to the channel. You see it? Give thanks.